Your bow? Your bowl. We're going to get that down after that bird grows up, okay? So right up there is where we put it. And let's hope that those birds will come.
Daddy, I think he'll be all alone.
Well, no, his parents will come, right?
But he's going to be all alone all day.
Let's look at your fireflies now.
Hey, why don't you keep the...
Okay.
You might need them. So.
Let's look at your fireflies, see what we got.
We got 10.
10? Let's count them up. Bring them.
Okay.
You guys take care.
You're rolling, Mr. Powell?
Yeah, we'll see.
Archie, you going home?
Yep, we're going.
Did you have your beans already, Archie?
He had his beans.
There goes Archie and Mr. Powell. And Rachel and Daddy caught some fireflies and saved a bird. Hey man, before you go, I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
Something spectacular and kind of funny happened today.